Hi everyone, this is Mr. Yagami. I'm here to show you my problem with my ROland SP300V. The problem is the two fuse F2 and F3 was blown because I have changed my H printer. After I reconnected everything and I plug in the power supply, the main power, just by pressing the start button you will see the fuse blown, and that's keep blowing and blowing and blowing, and that's no problem. I will show you, as you see, just by pressing the button, chuck, shock, and the fuse is blown. I will show you in this video a solution that I made by my handmade. I hope this video will help you and give you a good idea how to fix this problem. First, by replacing the fuse, I will show you the video. I'm repairing my ROland SP300V. I had a problem that the fuse is blowing all the time. So, my god.
What the fuck?
Oh shit, this is a bad thing. Oh my god. I don't know what to do now. Okay, so I decided to fix my fuse like this. I was afraid of this problem on my main motherboard. Now it's going bigger and bigger. Fuck. Sorry for that. This is my main board for ROland SP300. I hope this idea will help you to change the fuse. The fuse is 2 amperes. It's not the same like ROland one, but it's working. I have tested it. Now I'm going to test the machine again. I hope the fuse is not blowing again. Okay, see you.